What's going on, guys? It's Denzel, aka Images by Zell, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do camera motion in Davinci Resolve 18. One thing you can do is just kind of like, let's say from here to here, so I want the motion to happen. What I can do is set the motion to do what I want it to do. I can go to the end of the adjustment clip. I'll mark it. So you want to hit the diamonds here, and that's how you start the animation of your keyframes. And then I'll come back to the beginning. And then what I'm going to do, a little quick way of doing this, you don't have to drag everything back to the beginning. If you double click on this, pretty much works for most things in the inspector panel. But if you double click on the words, like on zoom, it'll put it back to where it was originally. You see, it went back to 100, and then on your position, double click, it goes back. But when you did that, it set the keyframe animation start point. So that's a easier way of doing it. I just like to start at the end. Like, I know what I want the animation to do, so I set it so I can see everything I'm doing. I set that at the end with the keyframe. Go back to the beginning, hit reset, like that. Don't hit reset over here, because if I hit reset here, now everything went away. Now I lost everything I just did. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that again. I'm just gonna. I know where I want my endpoint to be, so it just kind of makes it easy. So I'm just gonna do that. Maybe I want him to be centered up here. Just pop up your little your guide frames and things like that. Put that away. So I'm like, okay, this is where I want it to end at. So I'm gonna go to the end of the clip, make sure it's highlighted. You see that it popped up because, as you can see underneath, this is my adjustment clip. So that's the adjustment affected just that one area. And this is why I like to use adjustment clips, because you can set it to where you want the effect to happen. That's even another way to do punch-ins. And that's actually how I do punch-ins quite often. So I can literally just copy this throughout. Let's say I wanted that to happen a lot of times. All I have to do is move it, boom, and then get it there, and then boom. And I'm not having to reprogram it every time, because otherwise I'd have to do that in each section of that clip, and that would just get annoying. So I have the end point set. So like I said, I'm going to go to where I want the endpoint to finish at. I'm going to click on the diamonds next to zoom and next to position. Now the endpoint is set. Go back to the beginning. I'm going to double click on zoom. That set the animation start point for the keyframe. And I'm going to hit double click on position. And that just did the animation start point for the position. So now when I hit play, you see the camera motion is happening. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Leave a like if you liked the video, and be sure to subscribe for even more tips and tricks like this. Until next time, peace.